everyone. Good morning, all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, My English Journey. In today's video, we are going to learn about prepositions. Today, I will explain the use of am on and at. Many students feel confused about these three words, but don't worry, I will explain it in a very simple way. Use of an. We use in for months, years, and long periods of time. Example, I was learned in 2025. My birthday is in July. I wake up in the morning. We also use in for big places. Example, I live in India. She live in Delhi. Use of on. We use on for days and dates. Example, my exam is on Monday. Her birthday is on 25th August. We also use on for surface. Example, the book is on the table. Use of at. We use at for except times. Example, I wake up 6 a.m. The classes starts at 10 o'clock. You also use at for small places. Example, she is at home. I am at school. So remember, in months, year, big place, on day, dates, surface, at, except, time, small places. Practice daily and make your own sentences. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.